from the luxurious and environmentally conscious travel of the future. Greetings. Presenting the BYD Motorhome 2026, a groundbreaking invention that blends the amazing comfort of a motorhome with BYD's knowledge of electric vehicle technology. With its sleek, contemporary shape, smooth, aerodynamic lines, and contemporary LED illumination, it is a distinctive design that perfectly captures BYD's dedication to innovation. Inspired by BYD's latest passenger vehicles, the motorhome's ocean aesthetics design concept incorporates solar panels on the roof for maximum energy efficiency. It is both fashionable and useful. Beneath this stunning appearance lies a state-of-the-art all-electric drivetrain powered by BYD's most modern blade battery technology, which is renowned for its dependability and safety. The incredible immediate power and torque generated by two electric motors, which also have an incredible range and smoothly accelerate, enable long-distance driving. A dashboard that combines the concept of a computerized cockpit greets you upon arrival. A large, user-friendly touchscreen controls all entertainment, navigation, and motorhome functions, while a digital instrument panel displays important driving information. Soft touch, sustainable materials combined with metal or lightwood accents may create a modern, eco-friendly space. The interior design is mostly modular and adaptable, making use of every square inch of available space. The excellent upholstery, swivel, and folding features of the sofas and chairs make it simple to turn the living room into a dining space or even an additional bed. Ambient lighting with programmable LEDs creates a variety of mood-appropriate ambiances and adds a luxurious touch. The back bedroom is a tranquil retreat. It has handy storage, cozy memory foam mattresses for king or queen beds, and panoramic windows to enjoy the beautiful views. An integrated audio system and a flat-screen TV add to your personal comfort and entertainment. The bathroom's design strives to be both luxurious and useful. A toilet with a water-saving flush system, a chic sink with an illuminated mirror, and a contemporary shower with high water pressure. Excellent waterproof materials and effective ventilation provide the maximum level of comfort. The kitchen is a gourmet adventurer's dream, with a large freezer-equipped refrigerator, an induction cooktop, a convection microwave oven, and a well-integrated double sink. The excellent worktops and ample storage space allow you to cook delicious meals wherever you go. A mobile luxury residence powered solely by energy and BYD's unrelenting innovation is the BYD Motorhome 2026. Get ready for an incredible adventure. It is more than just a means of transportation. It is a platform for boundless discovery.